again, folks. It's Bobby Stein. This morning, my intentions were to go up and get on this county road and go over to Darlove, then to Trey Lake, then on up to Bourbon, Tribbett, and Elizabeth outside of Leland. Well, what happened was somehow I got over this way. I got on this road. Hell, ended up in Inverness. And then I backtracked thinking I could get back on the right road. And I took this road and ended up in Indianola. So I really botched this one today, but I did film. So I'm gonna try to make something of this debacle and try to make a decent video out of it. Anyway, if you liked the video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you next video. There's been a little change of plans. I turned off a little early off of Highway 61 North. I think this road will take me to the little community of Darlove, and then I'll take a left at Darlove and go on up to Trey Lake. So we'll see what happens. This is another road I've never been down. I know where I am now. This is 438, and I'm on Trey Lake Plantation. If I take a left, I'll go back to Arcola and Highway 61. So I'm going to take a right. We'll go on to Trey Lake, I believe, and then take a left. We'll go as far as we can go and take a left. Okay, I'm coming to the end of Highway 438. I think if I take a right, I would go to Darlove, but I'm going to take a left and go to Tribbett and Bourbon, and then back up through Leland to Elizabeth. We out in the Delta Boonies today. I mean, there's nothing out here. Some of you have addressed, some of you have expressed an interest in old barns, so here's one I found. be Deer Creek. Folks, I missed a turn somewhere because we're in Inverness. Well, I'm going to turn back around. And see if we can find another road to go down. I sure wasn't expecting to end up here. So let's see what we can do. I guess as long as I'm here, we can film. Because it is a pretty little town. I'm a little embarrassed that I got lost. I'm supposed to be your guide. I don't know where the hell I'm going. Okay, here's the situation. This is a church we just passed. I don't know where the hell I am, but we're going to take this road and see where it goes. So y'all might have to get a new tour guide because the one you got now ain't worth a damn. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll see where we end up. You know, I got a map, but I'm not even going to look at it. We'll end up somewhere. So this is an adventure for me too today. It is pretty back here. It's a nice, cool Delta morning. Yeah, I think I'm in Indianola, Mississippi. So we're going to go ahead and end the filming today. I'll get something to eat, go back to Greenville, and tonight I'll work on editing this video. So y'all take care, have a good day, and we'll see you next video.